and welcome to Skincare Queen. Thank you so much for all your feedback. I appreciate you. Some of you emailed me on my personal email that I showed in my previous video how I overcame COVID-19 with natural herbs. I thank you so much. Some of you said the video helped you out. I'm really happy that I can be a source of strength and a source of inspiration for some of you. Thank you so much. I promised in that video that I'm going to show you how I make a natural herb tonic to deal with my COVID-19 cough symptoms. So in that video I showed you how I use turmeric powder, okay, how I use turmeric powder and ginger powder and garlic powder to make a tonic to deal with my cough symptoms. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I released my previous video a few hours ago and I'm getting so much email. Thank you so much. But please, I want to say something. I am not an authoritative subject on this matter, but when it comes to natural herbs, I know so much about natural herbs. I am not your doctor and I cannot replace your doctor. Please, if you have any symptoms, I'm not the person for you to email to tell what to do, because I refuse to be a doctor when I'm not a qualified doctor. I know so much about natural herbs, so that's all I know, but I'm not your doctor. It will be overwhelming for you to be mailing me, to be giving you a prescription. This is not me. Now, here is how I made my turmeric, ginger and garlic tonic to tackle my COVID-19 cough symptom. So like I showed you in the other video, I took 2 teaspoons of each, okay, 2 teaspoons of each. I put in a cup and I added hot water to it. Let me bring that out so as to show you here. Okay, so I took 2 teaspoons of ginger, which is this, 2 teaspoons of ginger. I put inside the cup. Then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay, they are all organic. And 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, organic. Okay, and I put in a cup and I added 200 ml. Okay, not 200 ml, I used 250 ml here, okay, of hot water. 200 ml, and I pour it over there. Then I left it to simmer, and that's exactly what I have here. I did this a few minutes before now. This is not what I did in my previous video, but I just did this 2 minutes before now. This is exactly the same cup I used during my downtime. So I covered it, let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, this is more than 20 to 25 minutes now. So after that, you take it out. You're going to need a cheesecloth. Okay, you're going to need yourself a cheese. So if you have a cheesecloth at home, that's perfect. So you need a cheesecloth to do this. And not only a cheesecloth, you need something to put here. Okay, something like, see this cup that I'm using? So we have a cup of that, so let it stay here. Okay, then you still mix it. Okay, mix this with a spoon. It's very thick, okay, so expect a bit of mess. So I'm going to bring my, I just hope this helped everyone out. As I said, it has helped me out, and I overcame this, and you too can overcome. But remember, make sure you talk to your doctor, consult with your doctor before doing any of this. So you pour it into your cheesecloth. Okay, what we're trying to do is to extract the tonic. Okay, we want to extract the tonic from this. Oops, that's what we're using this for. The tonic is all we need. Okay, and perfect. As you see, I poured this into a cheesecloth to extract the tonic that we're looking at here. So take it out, just squeeze it as much as you can. What you're squeezing out is the tonic. The leftover is the residue that you don't need. What we need is a tonic that I'm showing you here. Okay, squeeze as much as you can until you can no longer squeeze. And that's it. That's what we need. Here is a tonic that I used. Here is a tonic that I use. As you can see, the turmeric will stain. Okay, it stains the skin. It stains my gloves. That's okay. That's exactly what I use in my time. Then you take 1 tablespoon of honey. One tablespoon of honey. Then 1 tablespoon of lemon. Okay, is it that you use lemon juice or you can squeeze your own lemon? And this is what I use during my down period to help me, deal with symptoms of COVID-19 cough. Oh, how did this work for me? Perhaps did I use the organic one? Is it because I use it frequently? The magic, we should ask nature. We should ask nature for this magic, but hey, it helps. It's not the best smells, but the honey and the lemon really helps it. This is the magic here. What you are looking at is what killed my COVID-19 symptom. I drank it so much. I drank it so much that all my system knows I drank something. Okay, and that's exactly when you finish drinking this, you need to go and rinse your mouth. You need to go and brush your teeth because of the garlic. The garlic stinks so much that it's going to make you stink so bad. So make sure you brush your teeth so as to remove the effects of garlic. And keep in mind, I use organic. Everything I use here is organic. Okay, organic turmeric, organic garlic powder, and organic ginger. Okay, they're all organic. As you can see, they're all organic. The only thing that is not organic, because I couldn't find it, is the lemon, but it's the natural one. They said no, there's no preservative, so that helps also. This is what I use to sweeten it, also to boost the property. And this is the lemon, pure organic lemon juice that I use also. So thank you so much for watching. And how often did I drink it? I drink it as much as I need it. Okay, I drink it as much as, but I put this in a sterilized bottle. Okay, I put this in a sterilized bottle, cover it up, and I kept using it. And that's it. That's about it for this video. I wish you the best. Remember, COVID-19 or all that condition is not death sentence, so don't give up. Don't lose hope. Don't forget to also call your doctor. If you want to use any of this, call your doctor and seek for their advice. Okay, do not substitute this for medical advice. COVID-19 is not a condition that you want to take for granted. Please call your doctor. Do not take my own experience for medical advice. I wish you the best. Remember, stay safe, stay much as possible at home. Okay, if you don't have to go out, don't go out, because this is how we help to prevent the spread. And if you notice you have symptoms, you need to isolate yourself and call your medical emergency for help. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Remember to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my new videos. So stay safe and stay strong, everyone.